Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is August 16th, 2025. I am going to harvest suraikai. It is also called patil gourd. Now I am harvesting suraikai. I harvested 3 suraikai today, August 16th. Today is August 27th. I am going to harvest suraikai again. While I am harvesting the suraikai, I will let you know how I grew suraikai starting from direct sowing seeds to harvest. I sowed suraikai seeds directly in the raised bed outdoor in June first week. After sowing seeds, I pour water daily for a week to germinate seeds quickly. Once true leaves came up, I poured water alternative days. Before sowing seeds, I choked the seeds with water for overnight for faster germination. I put organic all purpose fertilizer and compost around the plants and poured water immediately when the plants were grown to 5 to 6 inches tall. Monthly once, I sprinkled organic all purpose fertilizer around the plants and poured water immediately and daily for 7 days to avoid any heat effect from fertilizer. For watering the plants, I poured water alternative days since Suraikai is a climber plant that has more vines and leaves. Now I am harvesting the second round of Suraikai. Tip number 1. The Suraikai plants are heat loving plants and need full direct longer daytime sunlight. The outdoor ground soil temperature should be above 60 Fahrenheit and the soil should be super loose before sowing seeds or replanting the plants. Tip number 2. Sow seeds directly in the ground outdoor when the ground temperature is above 60 Fahrenheit in June first week for zone 6A Michigan. Or sow seeds indoor and grow for 3 weeks before replanting them in the outdoor in June. Tip number 3. For faster germination from seeds, pour water daily for a week when you sow seeds directly in the ground outdoor. Tip number 4. If you sow seeds indoor and grow for 3 weeks in the indoor, then we need to hardening the plants outside for a week by keeping the seedling plants outside 30 minutes to few hours daily when outside temperature is warm before replanting them in the ground outdoor. Tip number 5. For watering to the plants, pour water alternative days or daily since Suraikai plants are climber plants that have more vines and leaves. Tip number 6. Use rich in phosphorus and potassium and less in nitrogen fertilizer to feed the plants. Whenever add fertilizer to the plants, pour water immediately and daily for 7 days to avoid any heat effect from the fertilizer. I haven't applied any pesticides to the plants during the growing period. I harvested 5 suraikai from my second round of suraikai harvest. Tip number 7. After last Suraikai harvest, if the plants are younger, greenish, and warm weather is going to be there for some more month, then sprinkle rich in phosphorus and potassium and less in nitrogen fertilizer to feed the plants to bloom again. From the first blossom, I harvested 5 suraikai today, August 27th, and 3 suraikai on August 16th. And I left 1 suraikai for seeds for next year planting. Total, we got 9 suraikai from the first blossom. Today is November 7th. This is my third and last round of Surekai harvest for this year. This one last pumpkin in the bucket I have harvested today that was missed from my previous harvest. Due to severe cold winter weather started few days back in Michigan, all leaves are withered and dried out. Now I am harvesting surekai. Tip number 8. Planting marigold twerk variety and basils or any other edible small size flowering plants around the surekai plants gives better pollination naturally by bees to get more yields. Tip number 9. The surekai climber plant needs trellis to grow vertically. After second round of Surekai harvest from the first blossom, I sprinkled organic all-purpose fertilizer immediately around the Surekai plants since the plants were very young and greenish. So we got 5 young Surekai from the second blossom. Overall, we got about 14 Surekai. I am very happy about the Surekai harvest this year. If you liked this video and wanted to see more gardening videos from Jaya Gardens channel, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.